Why does your scanner show the P0575 engine code? What does it mean? P0575 is a diagnostic trouble code for cruise control input circuit high. This error code indicates a problem with the cruise control input circuit high problem. This means the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, has detected an abnormal voltage or resistance level in the cruise control input circuit. Under these circumstances, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Failed cruise control switch. Wiring issues. Cruise control module. Blown fuse. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Infiniti, Ford F-150, If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.